You guys, I've always struggled with making the perfect whipping cream. So I'm so excited to share this video today because I know that it will help a lot of people overcome their fear of making whipping cream or whipped cream cakes. In this video, I'm also going to review a brand of whipped cream called Easy Baked Whipped Cream. This is not sponsored, it's not a sponsored video. I just want Nigerians to know that even though you cannot afford that popular brand of whipped cream that everybody says that this is the brand you must use, you can still get good whipping cream. You can use any brand you want, just make sure you can afford it. At the end of the video, I'll be teaching how to make a very easy adult flavored ice cream, so stay till the end to catch that. My first tip is to use a frozen bowl and a frozen whisk. Make sure you freeze your bowl and your whisk. Some whipped cream powder brands, this doesn't matter, but just to be safe, please do it. Also, make sure your water is ice cold. My second important tip is to use equal parts of water to whipping cream powder. I also add in powdered milk and vanilla extract, which is very optional. So just customize it based on what you want. If you want strawberry, add strawberry flavor. Do you understand? So keep whipping it until it literally doubles in size. At this point, most people would think that your whipped cream is fine because it looks like it's very stiff and it looks like, oh, okay, it has reached that point where if I keep on mixing, it will overmix. And that is always the problem. The fear of overmixing is the beginning of unstable whipped cream. So if you are scared of whipping your whipped cream, you won't get the results that you're hoping for. So this is the point where you can decide to use your whipped cream. You can see that it is gathered in the whisk. That is my third tip. It should not be able to leave your whisk. That's how you know you have done justice to this. And when you put your spatula, it should not fall easily. This condensed milk is my special condensed milk from my previous video. So if you want to watch it, go and check my videos, my last video. That's why I thought how to make this. Now I'm teaching you guys how to make the ice cream. So just add your condensed milk and fold it into the ice cream. Then you can just freeze. I'm just whipping it here to show you that you can whip this ice cream and it will not still be over whipped. So I whipped this for like another 3-4 minutes. And at the end of the day, it was even very was stiffer. So I believe that the more you whisk, the stiffer it becomes. The fear of overmixing is the beginning of unstable whipped cream. So anytime that you're making whipped cream and you are always scared like me, just keep that at the back of your mind. It will help you. Can you see how stable and stiff it is right now? Even though I've added condensed milk. I'm also going to add rum. It's very optional. It's just to make it adulty, boozy, and taste really nice. Here I'm just playing with the whipped cream. I'm just playing with the ice cream, because this is ice cream. I'm just playing with the ice cream. I'm showing you the texture. Even though I've added rum, I've added condensed milk, it still has a very luscious, stable, stiff texture. But though this will melt on time because of all the things that have been added to it, it will melt fast. But you can see how stable it is, right? You can see that even when I carry it up, it doesn't fall. And it leaves like a trail. Can you see the deep trails it's leaving as I'm using my spatula to play with it? Yeah. I'm going to wrap it in cling film, throw it in my freezer, serve it up, and I'm also going to make my topping, which is not in this video. Sorry. It's from infused raisins, which I use to top my ice cream. Yeah, that's it, sha. You guys should enjoy the video. Please try out this recipe. Because I know a lot I went through to make this a reality. I tested out my whipping cream powder. I'm a student. This is expensive. I bought it because of you people. So please try it out and let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys.